So this is our problem number 7 for moment of inertia of geometric shapes. Determine the moment of inertia of the cross-sectional area with respect to its centroidal axis. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan muna natin i-locate yung centroidal axis niya. Then, saka natin makukuha yung moment of inertia with respect to those axes. So, ganun lang din. Ilo-locate lang natin kung nasaan yung x prime and y prime axis. So, syempre, gagamit ulit tayo ng Varignon's theorem. Ito medyo, lang siya, komplikado ng konti kasi kung napapansin niyo, yung ating area ay meron sa left and right side ng ating y-axis. Ibig sabihin, gagamitin pa rin natin yung natutunan natin sa ating chapter 6 na kung saan kapag nasa left side yung ating area, ibig sabihin yung kanyang value for x bar is magiging negative. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng left side dito ng ating x-axis is negative. Dito naman is positive. Para naman sa y, lahat ng nasa taas ay positive, lahat ng nasa baba ay negative. So anyway, wala namang area dito sa baba. So wala rin di natin gagamitin yung negative y bar. Okay, puro positive y bar. Pero meron tayong negative x bar para dito sa tatlong area na nandito. Okay? So hati-hati natin yung area natin. So this is our area 1. Then this is our area 2. Okay, ito. Yung triangle. Hatiin natin ang paganyan. Okay, then gawin nating area 3 yung ating rectangle. Then gawin nating area 4 ito. Okay, ima-minus natin to. Okay? Ayan. Okay. So ngayon, para sa area 1, ito yung kanyang centroids. So, this is our y1. And this is our x1. Then, para sa area 2, andito yung kanyang centroids. Okay, so this is our x2. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, negative na yung x2 niya. Then, ito yung kanyang y2. Then, yung natin, area 3. Ako sa 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Andito yung kanyang centroids. Ganun din yung centroids ng area 4. Okay? So, this is our y3 and y4. Okay, so gawin natin y3 na lang. Okay? Then, ito naman yung ating x3. And also our x4. Okay? Ayan. So, area 1. Area 1 is a triangle. So, 1/2 of base. So, 6 inches multiplied by height na 333. That is 9. Okay. So, 1/2 of 6 multiplied by 9. So, gawin sa alpha A na lang. So, this is 27 inch cube. So, this is alpha A. Then, ang ating x1 is equivalent to, since ang ating x1 ay nag-start mula rito sa height niya, so this is 1/3 of its base. So, 1/3 of 6. So, this is 2 inches. Then, ang ating y1 is nag-start mula sa kanyang vertex. So, since the vertex siya nag-start, that is 2/3 of its height. Ang height natin is 9. So, 2/3 of 9 is 6. Okay, so 6 inches. Okay, next, area 2 is equivalent to, okay, that is also a triangle. So, 1/2 of its base. Ang base niya is 6. Ang height niya ay 3. So, ilan to? 0.5 of 6 by 3. So, 9. Sorry, gawin natin siyang alpha B. Ayan. Alpha A, 27, no? Ayan. So, alpha B. So, this is 9. So, 9 inch squared. Sorry, this is squared, Ayan. Ba't ko ginawang cube? Ayan, squared. Then, x2. Okay, so negative na yan. So, since nag-start siya mula sa height, so this is 1/3 of its base. So, negative 1/3 of its base. Ang base niya is 6. So, this is equivalent to negative 2 inches. Then, ang y2 natin, positive yan. Okay? Nasa positive side of y-axis. So, since nag-start siya mula rito, so this is base, hindi ba? So, this is 1/3 of its height. So, 1/3 of its height na 3. Then, plus natin yung 6. So, ilan to? So, 1 plus 6, so 7 inches. Then, area 3 is equivalent to ano? Okay? Ang area 3 natin is ano ba to? Rectangle. Okay? So, 6 by 6. So, 6 by 6. So, this is 36 inches squared. Then, ang ating x3 is equivalent to 3. Okay? So, 3 inches. And ang ating y3 is equivalent to also 3 inches. Sorry. Baka nandito x4. Malito, sorry. Okay? Ang x4 dapat is with respect to y-axis. Anyway, pares pa rin naman 3. So, ating buburahin dito. Okay? So, anyway, dapat itama pa rin natin dito sa drawing. So, this is x3. Okay? Ayan. So, okay na ba tayo? Next, area 4. Hindi ko pala na no? Yung 6 by 6. Ayan. So, alpha C. Then, area 4 is a circle. So, pi r squared. Ang radius niya is 2 inches. Okay? So, pi r squared. So, this is 4 pi inch squared. So, 4 pi alpha d. So, this is alpha b. This is c. And this is d. Okay? Anyway, hindi naman talaga siya, ang basa rito is a lang. Okay? Hindi siya binabasa as alpha a. Pero kasi ako, nasanay na ako. Kasi gagamitin ito, alpha. Then, dapat minus sign. Hindi siya alpha a. Yan. Pero anyway, pwede rin naman yun. Okay? So, ayan. Meron na tayong area and x1 and x2. Okay, then ano nang gagawin natin? Malolokit na natin yung x bar and y bar. So, x bar is equivalent to area 1, x1 plus area 2, x2 plus area 3, x3 minus area 4, x4. So, this is equivalent to x4 and this is equivalent to y4. Then, over area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 minus area 4. Okay, so alpha A multiplied by x1. Ang x1 natin is what? Di ko makita. Okay, so 2. So 2 plus alpha B multiplied by negative 2. Okay, plus alpha C. Okay, multiplied by, okay, negative rin to. Okay, so negative 3. Ayan. So, nasa negative side kasi siya ng x. Ayan. So, negative 3. So, negative 3. Then, minus area 4, alpha d. Then, multiplied by negative 3 then. Okay? Over area, alpha A plus B plus C minus D. Okay, so tama ba? Ayan, okay. So, negative 577. So, ang ating x bar is nasa negative 0.77 inch. So, ibig sabihin ng negative is nasa negative side siya ng ating y-axis. Okay, so mamaya siya i-plot. Solve mo natin yung ating y bar. So, y bar is area 1 multiplied by y1 plus area 2, y2 plus area 3, y3 minus area 4, y4 over, okay, area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 minus area 4. So, this is our y bar. So, ano bang y1 natin? 6. Y2 natin is positive 7. Y3 natin is 3. And ang y4 natin is positive 3. So, 4.97. Okay, inch. So, shade natin. X bar and Y bar. Okay, next. Also, yes, ilocate mo natin para mas madali natin maintindihan. So, nasa negative points 57 raw to eh. Then, nasa 4.97 siya. So, this is 6, no? So, 3. Lagpas sa 3. So, andito. Yan. So, nasa 0.577. So, this is our X bar. And, nakalocate siya ng lagpas sa 3. That is 4.97. This is Y bar. So, ito na ngayon yung ito yung location ng ating Y prime and X prime. So, yun yung kukunin natin. I mean, dyan natin kukunin yung ating moment of inertia. Okay, so kunin natin yung Ix prime. So, Ix prime is equivalent to Ix prime 1 plus Ix prime 2 plus Ix prime 3 minus Ix prime 4. Yan. So, baliktad, sorry. Ix prime 4. Okay? So, solve natin yung ating Ix prime 1. So, Ix prime 1, ito, no? So, this is a triangle. So, based sa ating table, ang ating, Ix bar is BH cube over 36. So, ang parallel para sa X prime is yung 6. So, that is the base. Ang perpendicular naman sa kanya is yung 9. So, that is the height. So, BH cube over 36. Then, plus the area. Okay, area 1. Multiplied by, okay, so since sa X prime tayo, ang gagamitin natin ng mga distances is Y. Okay, so Y bar minus Y1 squared. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 9 cube over, okay, so this is 36, plus area 1 is alpha A, multiplied by Y bar, 4.97 minus Y1, which is 6. Okay, squared. So, 150.14. 150.14 inch to the fourth. So, kung napapansin nyo rito, wala na siyang times 10 raised to 6 kasi hindi naman siya naka-millimeters. Kasi mas malaki ang 1 inch sa millimeters. Okay? So, ayan. Kaya, huwag kayong magugulat na kapag naka-English unit kayo, parang naka-inch or feet, yung makukuha nyo talaga ay mas malit lang kaysa doon sa metric system na naka-millimeters. Okay? So, anyway, tuloy tayo sa Ix prime 2. So, ang ating area ulit is, triangle. So, BH cube over 36 ulit yan. Ang base natin is yung, 6. Okay? Ang height natin is 3. So, 3 cube over 36 plus area 2. Then multiplied by Y bar minus Y2. So, squared. So, 6 by 3 cube. Okay, plus alpha B. Then, 4.97 minus X2. Okay, sorry. Y2 pala. So, 7. Okay? So, 41.59. So, 41.59 inch to the fourth. Next, Ix prime 3. Okay, this is a rectangle, so BH cube over 12. Ang base niya, okay, so 6 by 6 naman to. So, kahit pagpalitin nyo naman, wala naman magiging problema dyan. Okay, kasi 6 by 6. Then, plus area 3, multiplied by Y bar minus Y3. So, 6 multiplied by 6 cube over 12 plus area 3, that is alpha C, multiplied by Y bar, okay, 4.97 minus Y3, which is 3. Okay? Squared. So, 247.71. So, 247.71. So, inch to the fourth. And last, ang ating Ix prime 4 is, circle to, no? So, based sa ating, table, that is pi r to the fourth over 4. So, pi r, ang r natin is 2. Okay? So, raised to 4 over 4 plus area. Okay, area 4 multiplied by y bar minus y4. So, this is, pi r to the 4th. 2 raised to 4 over 4. Oops. Then, plus alpha d. Okay, ito hindi nyo siya ima-minus Ang ima-minus natin is yung buong ix. Ix prime 4, hindi yung area. Okay? So, anong gagawin? 4.97 minus 3. Okay? So, 61.32. 34. 61.34 inch to the 4th. Ayan. So, 150.14 plus 41.59. Okay, plus 247.71 minus 61.34. So, 378.1 inch to the 4th. Yan. Okay? Ayan na siya. So, siguro usog na lang natin to para mapagkasya natin yung ating iy prime. So, iy prime is equivalent to iy prime 1. Oops. Ayan. Plus iy prime 2 plus iy prime 3 minus iy prime 4. Okay? So, yung ating iy prime 1 is equivalent to, same pa rin, bh cube over 36. Magabago lang yung orientation natin. Ang parallel para sa ating y prime is yung 9. Ang perpendicular sa kanya is yung 6. Then over 36. Plus area 1 multiplied by, okay, so since y prime na tayo, ang gagamitin natin ng mga distances ay mga x distances. So this is x bar minus x1. So mamaya natin i-compute. Then iy prime 2. So bh cube. Tingnan natin to. Pagbaliktarin mo na lang. Okay? So 3, 6 raised to 3 over 36 plus area 2 multiplied by x bar minus x2. Then, ang ating iy prime 3. So 6 by 6 naman yan di ba? So wala tayong problema dyan. Then plus area 3 multiplied by x bar minus x3 squared. Okay, so squared. Huwag nyo kakalimutan ng squared. Okay, so this is squared. Check natin. Na-square ba natin? Okay, naka-square naman. So, equals. Then, iy prime 4 is equivalent to, ganun pa rin, pi r raised to 4 over 4 plus area 4. Then, multiplied by x bar minus x4 squared. Okay, so take note ito. Okay? Kasi ito, baka mapansin niyo, baka mapag-minus nyo to Yung 0.577 saka yung 2, baka mapag-minus nyo siya. Pero kung titingnan natin, yung ating centroid ay papupuntahin natin papunta dito sa y prime. And this is our x1, which is andito. Okay, sa y-axis. Then ito yung ating x bar. Na with respect to y-axis, ibig sabihin yung ating x1 and x2 ay kailangan mag-add. Okay, para itong centroid ng ating area 1 ay mapunta natin or matransfer natin papunta rito sa ating y prime. Okay? So, pwede rin naman siya. Tingnan natin kung mag-add sila. Kasi ang x bar natin ay negative, 0.577. Then minus x1, this is 2. So, negative 2.577. So, nag-add sila. So, para hindi na lang kayo malito, ang gawin nyo na lamang tong positive. Okay? Ay, hindi. Kasi magma-minus pala to, no? Ayun. So, ano na lang? Diskartehan nyo na lang siya. Basta, aralin nyo lang na dapat ito mag-add siya. Okay? So, sir, negative po siya. Okay lang naman na negative. Kasi, kung mag-negative ba niyan, naka-square naman tayo. So, magpa-positive pa rin siya. Okay? So, yun lang. Alalahanin nyo lang siya, ne? So, dito sa ating, iy prime 1, so, mag-add siya. So, okay lang. iy 2. So, this is negative, no? So, negative 0.577. Ano ba ang x2 natin? Ang x2 natin is... Asa ba ang x2? Ito. O, negative rin ng x2. So tama lang. Okay, so minus. Okay, minus negative 2. Ayan. So, kailangan sila mag-minus. Okay? Hindi sila pwede mag-add. Kasi ito yung, ito yung x2, then this is x bar. So, itong distance lang ang kailangan natin kunin. So, magma-minus dapat sila. Ayan. So, evaluate nyo pa rin yung mga equation na, na tinitingnan ninyo. Okay? So, tama na tayo rito. Tama rin tayo sa x bar and x3, no? Ayan. So, kailangan rin silang mag-minus. Ganun rin yung ating x bar and x4. Okay? So, yan. So, 9 by 6 cube over 36 plus area 1 alpha A multiplied by x bar, that is negative 0.577 minus x1, which is 2. Then squared. So, 233.31. So, 233.31 inch to the fourth. Next. Okay, so 3, then 6 cube over 36 plus alpha B. Then, negative 0.577, then x2. Ang x2 natin is negative. Okay, negative 2. Yan. Okay? So, 36.22. Next, this is 6 by 6. Pero, over 12. Then, alpha C. The negative 0.577 minus x3, which is negative 3. So, 319.35 inch to the fourth. Next, pi r. So, 2 raised to 4 over 4. Then, alpha d. Okay, negative 0.577 minus negative 3. So, squared. So, 86.34 inch to the fourth. Okay? So, sino kaya mas malaki? Itong ix prime or iy prime? So, check natin ha. So, 233.31 plus 36.22 plus 319.35 minus 86.34. So, 502.54. Yan. Okay? So, mas malaki yung ating iy prime. So, obvious naman kasi kung titignan nyo nga naman, parang dito sa iy prime, mas malaki yung mga area na iikot papunta sa y prime kaysa sa area papunta do sa x prime. Okay? So, para saan nga ba yung pagsusolve natin ng moment of inertia? Para sa ix, or iy, or ix prime, or iy prime. So, ginagamit natin ito sa design. Lalo na sa still design. Kailangan nating malaman yung ating ix and iy para matukoy natin yung major axis or minor axis. So, if we say major axis, it is the strong axis. And if we say minor axis, this is the weak axis. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi nating strong axis, okay, ito yung axis na kung saan strong yung ating section in terms of some effect due to loadings. So, yung mga effects na yun sa bending, okay, or yung moment, okay. Then, kapag sinabi natin weak axis, ito yung section na kung saan mahina siya, okay, due to the effects, okay, or mahina siya against the effects ng mga loadings sa isang structure. Okay, so mapag-aaralan nyo rin yan sa steel design and napakagandang aralin talaga nung nung topic na yun. Sa alam ko sa column. Okay, sa column and beam. Okay, sa column and beam, meron dong inaalam natin kung sino yung yung strong and weak axis na section dun sa wide flange. Okay, so ang gandang aralin nun. Anyway, ito nga yung purpose talaga ng statics of rigid bodies. So nasa chapter 7 na tayo. Actually, tapos na tayo sa ating chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, nilaktaw natin chapter 5, which is friction. Then, nagpunta tayo sa chapter 6, centroids. Chapter 7, moment of inertia. And chapter 8, yung 3D forces. So, di ba ang dami natin napag-aralan? And lahat ng na yun, mga topic na yun, ay magagamit ninyo sa higher subject ninyo, such as strength of materials, structural theory, and structural design, such as RC and steel design. And so talagang I hope na talagang magagamit niyo itong tutorial ng CE Box para sa inyong mga higher subject para ma-prepare talaga kayo. Okay, so this is our problem number 7 for moment of inertia of geometric shapes under chapter 7 ng statics of rigid bodies. So thank you for watching. Bye!